No.
Okay, this is very nice. Actually, it's rare and amazing because this is rare.
Yeah.
Was built in late 1992, finished in 1993. Today, on the 12th of March 2024, we have Eestinlaakso, Eestinlaakso 16 here in Nöykkiö. Nöykkiö is Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo region, also Finland. Yes, December is 67458. We only a few from late 1992 Kone Novels in Finland we have found.
Yeah.
Personally, I have also found one in Austria, or no, Switzerland actually.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected the next year, 2025. 2 rides or?
Yeah. Or 3.
3, it's rare.
Yeah.
I love this sound, so let's spend it here.
Same. Inspected by Inspectant, maintained by Kone. Novel Betonen Kuopio is H67451. And Stadion ammattiopisto 54.
That the one at the stake is B or S?
Yes.
Okay. Show me. I can press.
Yeah.
What about the one in Joensuu? Is it? I'm not sure.
I'm not sure about it.
You can check later.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. And the one in Leppävaara, is it?
Yeah, it's newer than this. That's